Now, if you've been looking for an opportunity to do regular painting, build up your painting skills, maybe become part of a vibrant community of fellow artists, encouraging other artists, getting some tips, feedback and encouragement from your fellow artist friends, then have a look at my artist membership channel. In that channel we meet each month and I do a lesson and demonstration. There are recordings as well. There's assignments and feedback if you want. And a thriving community of artists that are really seeing massive improvement in their painting and enjoying just keeping in touch as well and sharing their work. Now, if this sounds like a great plan for you and it's going to maybe hold you a little more accountable with your painting and get you painting on a regular basis, then check out my Artist Live membership. Only $5 a month, plus a massive archive of lessons that are recorded and you can access those. Learn anything you want, just dive in and begin. If that sounds good, have a look at the link in the description and join me on the Artist Live channel. Test it out and see if it's the right place for you and your painting.